Believe in Jesus without doubt. Tell your neighbor, believe in Jesus without doubt. Repeat that statement again. Believe in Jesus without doubt. The only way Jesus will answer your prayer, the only way Jesus will hear you, is when you pray, no matter how long you have been praying. Believe in him without what? Doubt. If he have never answered you last year, he will answer you this year. If he don't answer you this week, last week, he will answer you this week. One thing that Jesus has let me to know, he said in Philippians 2 verse 10, in my name, everything that have need shall do what? Shall bow. Under the earth, on earth, even in heaven. And he has been proving it to me. And today, Jesus is telling me to tell you, believe in him without doubt. Your prayer will be answered. Brothers and sisters and sons and daughters of the living God, I have a good news for you. You will not return back with your problem. 2 Chronicles 20 verse 26. Obey the word of the prophet. You shall do what? Prosper. Is there anybody here that don't need prosperity? Please leave this house. Is there anybody here that don't love prosperity? Please. Do you know that a good health is prosperity? Peace in your life is prosperity. There are people that have money but they don't have peace. That one is not prosperity. There are people that have money, they are afraid. They move around with mopo. I have so much to tell you about believing in Christ without doubt. No matter any circumstances in life, don't doubt Jesus. Don't say, I have prayed and I have prayed. Nothing is happening. Listen to me. Once you are alive, something is happening. There are people that have money, but they don't have that life. They are asking God, take the money and give us life. I'm okay, but they can't. But look at you. Your prayer is working. There are people that pray, even they pray in the car when they are traveling, but they did not return back. All of them. But look at you. You have been traveling and returning back. Maybe you have never traveled far, but you are traveling to your village. Is it not true? Maybe you have traveled to go some occasion to another town. Did you not enter a car? You have gone to a place, but nothing happens to you. Do you know that that load you pass, there are people that have died in that load, but you have been passing that load every day. Your prayer is answered. God is hearing you. Oh my God, you are not hearing me. If you can understand those miracles, you call it two miracles, a big miracle, Jesus will give you more than. When you appreciate the person that kills chicken, if you see goat, he will kill. If you appreciate the person that kills chicken, if you see goat, he will kill it for you. Appreciate God for the life he has been given to you. Believe in Christ Jesus. Listen to me. Jesus cannot deceive you. If he cannot do this miracle, he will not tell you. He is the master for all that you are looking for. Do you want a child? Wait for him. Psalm 127 verse 3. It said that children is a gift from God. There is nothing he cannot do. All miracles are performed by him. He says something in the book of Mark 10 verse 27. He says, I am the Lord that made impossibilities to be possible. No matter how long you are be in that problem, he is a master planner. He knows how he formed you in the womb. He knows the way he makes you to be protected in that womb. If it's a will of a man, you will not come out of that womb. There are many people today that's supposed to be removed in the womb, but Jesus did not allow. There are many people here that enemy thought they will kill them in the womb, but Jesus never allowed them. Many of you here have encountered so many deaths, but you did not die. There is nothing you do about it, but there is a man who created you that is there for you, and that man is Jesus. If Jesus Christ can keep you alive today, your miracle will multiply. I say your miracle will multiply.